Guys, I am not even joking right now. Ever since I started using this homemade onion pomade, my hair has been growing no stop. My edges become fuller, my hair become thicker, and the breakage almost disappeared. This recipe is extremely powerful because we are mixing onion, Vaseline, and other ingredients together to create one of the best homemade hair growth pomade ever. And trust me, you will want to start using this today. So, if you have been struggling with slow hair growth, bare edges, breakage, thinning hair, dry scalp, and damaged hair, then this video is for you. This pomade deeply nourishes the scalp, lock in moisture, and helps stimulate faster hair growth natural. Now, our first ingredient is onion. Onion is rich in sulfur, which help support stronger and healthy hair growth, stimulate faster hair growth, thicken up your thinning hair, stop breakage, shedding, and promote crazy super faster hair growth. When I mean it, crazy super faster hair growth, onion juice can help you to achieve that. Onion is one of the most powerful natural remedies that you can use to grow your hair to your heart desire if you use it consistent, and also if you combine it with the right ingredients and use them the proper way they're supposed to be used. I kid you not, you will grow your hair without to break the bank. Onion is very powerful. For those that know the power of onion, they understand what I'm trying to say. But for those that still letting down on onion, please stop letting down on onion. Onion is a game changer for you. It's a call wake up to your scalp. So I just make use of 1 medium size of my purple onion. A lot of you always ask me, can I use white onion? Please, if you have white onion, use it. And if you have purple onion, also use it. I just peel off the skin of my onion, keep it aside. Then bring our second ingredient. The next ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is Vaseline. I am making use of Blue Sea Vaseline. If you have Blue Sea Vaseline, please use it, or any other Vaseline. It can also feel free to make use of it. Vaseline seal in the moisture and protect the hair from dryness. Now, our third ingredient is castor oil. Castor oil helps to thicken the hair and keep the scalp moisturized. You can use black Jamaica castor oil or any other castor oil. So now the final ingredient, the last but not the least, is shea butter. Shea butter helps to soften dry hair and reduce breakage. These are all the ingredients we'll be using on this recipe. There are more ingredients we still add on it as we progress, but for now this is the ingredient. So now let me show you the proper way to prepare this recipe. First thing, I bring my saucepan. Then first ingredient is the onion. I slide the onion into a small sizable into the saucepan. Next, I will add 2 tablespoons of my shea butter. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of my castor oil. So after adding them, I will mix them together. Then I will bring it to boil. Please make sure that you are using very low heat. The key is to release the nutrients of the onion into the shea butter and the castor oil so that this pomade can be very powerful. So for you not to kill the nutrients of these ingredients, make sure you use it in a very low heat. Please emphasize on low heat. It's very important, because if you prepare it in a high heat, you will kill the nutrients of this ingredient, and that's not what you want. So I just boil mine for only but 10 to 15 minutes in a very low heat. Okay, so when I know that is ready is when the onion change color. Okay, then I know that the onion have released in nutrients into the shea butter and into the castor oil. So as you can see, for this moment, onion have released the nutrients and the foamy agents have totally reduced. That means that this recipe is ready to be bring down from the fire.
I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take.
So after 10 to 15 minutes, I brought it down immediately and bring a bowl and a shifter to strain it out immediately. Don't allow it to cool down because there is shea butter on this. Once it have cooled down, it will solidify, and that's not what you want. You want to strain it out while it's still hot so that it can get all the oil out. Okay, I hope you're understanding me. So after throwing it out, this is the amount of the oil I got so far. Okay, this is a mixture of castor oil and shea butter. I hope you remember. Okay, so the next ingredient we need to add immediately is the blue seal Vaseline. This is the perfect time to add this blue seal Vaseline. Okay, so I'm making use of 2 tablespoons of my blue seal Vaseline. Then I'll add it inside and continue mixing it. Before you know it, it will melt because this is very, very hot. Don't add it when it is cold. This is the perfect time to add this your blue seal Vaseline. Okay, to get that good consistent and also to get that good extremely powerful hair growth pomade. Okay, so once it have melt, as you can see, it do not take time to melt. Once it have melt, the next thing I will add is my essential oils. Please, the essential oils is an optional. If you don't have any essential oil available, please skip it. Okay, only these 3 powerful ingredients or these 4 powerful ingredients, you are good to go. Okay, but if you have essential oil, feel free to drop in any type of essential oil you have available. You are good to go. Okay, so I just make use of my few essential oil I have available. Okay, so after dropping in my essential oils, I will just mix it together. Okay, mix everything together. Then this our extreme hair growth pomade is almost ready. Okay, so after then I will just bring my container. You need a container that have covered, okay, and is very clean container, and also a container that don't have moisture on it. Make sure your container did not come in contact with moisture because this is a pomade. You don't need water to come in contact with it. Okay, so make sure you use clean container and free of moisture, and also container that has cover. Okay, so that it can cover it by protecting your pomade. Okay, so after transferring it into my container, then I will allow it to sit for some minutes. It do not take time for it to come together for it to cool down. Once this recipe have cooled down, it will solidify by itself. You don't need to add this in the refrigerator. You don't need to keep it in the freezer. Just allow it to cool down on your counter, then it will solidify by itself. It's very, very easy to solidify. In less than 20 to 30 minutes, this will solidify by itself. Okay, guys, our extremely powerful hair growth pomade is ready. Do you see how this pomade is super rich and super nourished? This is what you need to grow your hair like never before. So now let me show you how to apply this on your hair to achieve that good result, to thicken up your weak hair, stop breakage, lock in moisture, and promote crazy hair growth. Okay, so guys, to use this to grow your hair extremely faster and grow thicker, fuller hair natural with this particular pomade, you need to pay close attention so that you can follow the proper instruction to achieve that good result. So first thing you must do if you want to get good result with this is to avoid applying it on a dry hair. Don't ever use this on a dry hair. Is a total wrong. If your hair is dry and you apply pomade on it, you are still in dryness. That means your hair will still continue breaking. There's no form of moisture that can help this pomade to work proper on your hair. So the best thing you must do is to use water to damp your hair first. You can use plain water. You can use your tea spray to damp in your hair before you follow up with this pomade. Please follow this instruction. Is very, very important for those that really want to get good results. Okay, so after damping my hair, do you see how my hair is now? My hair is no longer dry, so immediately apply this on my hair. It will give me better results instead of breaking my hair or still in dryness. This is the perfect time to apply this pomade on your hair for that good results. So now this pomade can be used on your scalp, yes, on your hair strands, your edges, your thinning hair, any problem areas you want to regrow. apply this pomade on that area. But if you want to use this pomade on your scalp, it's not every day, and also just use little amount of it, because a little goes a long way. Okay, just use little amounts, massage it on your hand, then apply it on your scalp, massage it on your scalp. Okay, so if you normally must moisturize your hair every day or 5 times in a week, you can use this pomade on your scalp 3 times in a week. Okay, don't use it every day, okay, so that your hair cannot build up, unless you normally wash your hair weekly. But if you normally wash your hair once in 2 weeks, then don't use it every day. But if you normally wash your hair once in a week, then you need to use it every day. That's the best way to use this pomade to grow your hair like never before. Please focus on your edges. If you have tiny edges, you want to regrow it, this particular pomade can regrow your tiny edges. I'm not even joking. Okay, it can also regrow your bald spots, thicken up your tiny hair, stop breakage, shedding. This pomade is super effective. This will grow your hair like never before. I'm not even capping. Okay, and also make sure you apply it also on your hair strands. Okay, and also especially on the ends of your hair. See it in very well on the ends of your hair, so that it can help to strengthen the ends of your hair and lock in the moisture, so that it can retain a lot of length. This pomade will grow your hair like never before. I'm not joking, guys. I know what I'm saying. This works like magic. This pomade is very cheap, very easy, but super effective than some store bottle pomade you can buy expensive out there. This simple, cheapest pomade will give you 10 times result than some store bottle products. I'm not joking. When you try it, you come back and testify. Okay, so if you have protective hairstyle like mini braid or mini twins, please, once you apply it, work it in properly so that it can penetrate inside your braid or your twins very well to see in that moisture. Once you use this on your protective hairstyle, before you take down your protective hairstyle, I kid you not, your hair will never remain the same. You will still less shedding, you get longer hair, thicker hair, fuller hair, healthier hair, and the most important thing, you retain a lot of length. Okay, this pomade is all you need to grow your hair without to break the bank. Just follow the instruction and use it. You will definitely see huge transformation. But to be honest with you guys, consistency is very important. Yes, a lot of people try recipe once and expect miracle overnight, but when you stay consistent with powerful natural ingredients like this, you start noticing your hair will start changing little by little. You start noticing huge transformation on your hair because you are consistent with it. Okay, so your hair will become softer, thicker, healthier, and longer. There is no joke. This particular recipe is all you need. This will grow your hair. After using this pomade on your hair, you can follow up with your leave-in conditioner to see in the moisture. Okay, use this 3 times in a week for better results. With consistent, in 1 month's time, you will come back and testify. Okay, just take a picture of your hair before, then start using this pomade. After 1 month, take back a picture. You will definitely see transformation on your hair if you use it the right way. If you use it the proper way I just share with you now, you must, I repeat, you must get that good result. All the recipe I'll be sharing with you in this channel, they work because I tested them by myself before I bring it to your table. So if you use it the way I direct you, you will definitely see huge transformation on your hair. So there are more videos that will be coming on your way that will be helping me to retain a lot of length, thicken up my hair, and grow healthy hair I can ever imagine. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe right now, and make sure you turn on your bell notification so that you always notify whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Okay, so that you don't miss those powerful recipes. You don't need to spend too much money to grow your hair. You don't need to break the bank before you can have that longer, healthy, thicker hair. Just simple things. You use it and be consistent with them, you see huge transformation on your hair. Okay, so I'll be growing my hair with only natural ingredients. So if I can able to grow my hair with natural ingredients, you can also do so. So if you can stay consistent with it and be patient with them. They are very effective and they works 100%. Okay, so guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. If there's anything I did not cover up, make sure you let me know in comment section below, and let me know in comment section below, we'll be trying this recipe on your hair. Comments, okay, let me know in comment section below. Or have you tried this recipe before on your hair? Let me know in comment section below. Okay, so guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Please do wait to subscribe, like this video, and share this video to your family and friends. It will help them a whole lot. Okay, so guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. This will be ending today's video. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.